Hello everyone, Jim Steiner here, Mayor of Corona. Well, it's been another interesting week in the County of Riverside and the state of California. If you recall, the governor announced his executive orders on March 19th. A couple weeks later, the Riverside County Public Health Director added some additional restrictions. Last week, the Riverside County Board of Supervisors voted to rescind most of these additional restrictions, which brings Riverside County more in line with the governor's orders. There is no doubt that our community is feeling the stress. Many are elderly or have a family member with an immune deficiency. Some are unable to pay their rent, put food on the table for their family. We have business owners who sacrifice so much to start their business and then stay in business. We simply can't imagine the struggles and various emotions you are dealing with and are hoping that life returns to normalcy sooner rather than later. As of May 11th, 254 of our citizens have tested positive and 8 of our neighbors have passed away from COVID-19, which is tragic, and our hearts go out to their families. Our citizens have done a really good job of following the directives. Many cities are seeing their elderly residents getting hit hard with COVID case numbers. However, even though Corona's senior population makes up 10% of our overall population, we currently have less than 30 cases with the 65 and older age group. That's nowhere near the 40 to 50% number some cities are experiencing. We have seen only 3 positive COVID cases in some of our most vulnerable areas like convalescent hospitals and long-term care facilities. We are all doing a great job of protecting and supporting our seniors. We did receive some encouraging news last week when Governor Newsom announced that we would be moving into Stage 2 of reopening our economy. Stage 2 only applies to low-risk businesses, but we have a lot of these types of businesses in town, so let's get them up and operating. Please contact the Corona Chamber of Commerce at www.mychamber.org for best practices in regards to keeping yourself, your employees, and your customers safe. With the rapidly changing environment, we expect to see more reopening directives issued in the coming weeks. The state has been drafting guidelines for reopening various types of businesses, and we encourage you to start getting ready. It's important to remember that since this all started, the City of Corona has taken the position that we are seeking voluntary compliance to both county and state orders. Our police department has been very responsive to our citizens and businesses. To date, our PD has had nearly 2,000 interactions with our community to share the orders and gain voluntary compliance. Our Corona PD has not issued a single citation to any citizen or business in violation of the orders related to COVID-19. As I mentioned, the situation continues to evolve rapidly. We have been working behind the scenes with the Riverside County Board of Supervisors, the California League of Cities, state legislators, Riverside County mayors, and our Corona Chamber of Commerce. We know most of our business owners are eager to reopen. We want this too and believe there's a reasonable balance to reopening our economy and keeping our citizens safe. For the most up-to-date information, please go to our website at www.coronaca.gov. God bless and thank you.